To make sure Nexo's products always comply with regulatory requirements, our clients must go through identity verification. This tutorial walks you through the quick and easy verification process. Start by going to the identity verification screen of your Nexo app. Once you're there, click Start Verification at the bottom of your section. We'll need your employment details. Select the sector you work in, your employment status, and your source of funds from the 3 drop-down lists on your screen. Go ahead and tap Continue Verification. During identity verification, you'll need to take legible pictures of your identity card, passport, or driver's license. Depending on your location, you can choose from the viable document options for your country. Tap on the type of ID you want to use and proceed to take photos of it as prompted on the screens. After you've provided your identification document, all you have to do is take a selfie and you're done. Congratulations! You've now completed identity verification and can use the full suite of Nexo products. Enjoy!